let me give you some tips on how we can clean the charging port or USB-C port on your Google Pixel 10 Pro with some household items. So before you start cleaning the port, it is important to turn off your phone. You always power it down before cleaning to avoid short circuits. Now, besides that, you can use a wooden or plastic toothpick. You can gently insert it into the port, scrape out lint, dust or debris with light motions. And of course you want to avoid metal items like paper clips or needles. They can bend pins that we have inside the port or cause shorts, of course. Now besides that, if you have compressed air, then you can use that as well in order to blow some like dust, etc. from the port. If you don't have a compressed air can, try blowing lightly into the port using a clean straw. So you can blow through a clean straw, because if you try to use your mouth directly to clean the port, then you can add moisture and this can harm the port, of course. You can use a dry and soft bristle toothbrush to gently brush inside edges of the port, and you want to avoid water and cleaning agents. You don't want to use them at all. You can also use adhesive putty if available. You can roll a tiny ball of adhesive putty, like poster tack for example. You can lightly press it against the port opening to lift dust and to make sure that no putty residue stays inside. Now, if you are wondering what you should avoid at all costs, then of course you don't want to use metal pins, needles or paper clips or any metal objects in general, because you risk of scratching or bending the port inside. You don't want to use liquids like water or cleaning sprays inside the port or cleaning agents. And you should definitely avoid using alcohol as well. You can actually use like a little bit of the isopropyl alcohol with like cotton swab or Q-tip, but only for the outside of the port. So for example, if the port is dirty outside of it over here, then you can do that. You can use Q-tips or cotton swabs with isopropyl alcohol that has like 70%. in order to clean the port outside around over here. But you don't want to insert cotton swabs inside because they can shed fibers, of course. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.